In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Constant Contact. If you've ever felt that the text in your emails could use a little breathing room or tighter spacing, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into this process step by step, making your email content look exactly how you want it. First, we need to head over to the Constant Contact website. Start by opening your favorite web browser and typing Constant Contact into the search bar. Once the search results appear, you'll want to click on the official Constant Contact link. If you already know the URL, you can type it directly into the address bar. Once you've arrived at the Constant Contact homepage, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Enter your credentials to access your account. If it's your first time here or you've forgotten your password, there are options to sign up or recover your password as needed. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Constant Contact dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options to manage your campaigns. What we want to do next is locate and click on the Create button. This is usually prominently placed, making it easy to start a new project. Once you've clicked on Create, select Send an Email from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new screen where you can start designing your email. For this tutorial, we're going to choose Start from Blank. This allows us to have full control over the customization, including the text settings. With a blank template in front of you, the next step is to add a text block. You'll find a list of content blocks usually on the left side of the screen. Find the text block option and drag it over to your template. Once placed, click on the newly added text block to start editing. To modify the line spacing, look at the text editing toolbar that appears. Here you'll see an icon that typically looks like an arrow pointing up and down with lines beside it. Click on this icon, which is responsible for adjusting your line spacing. You'll now see several line spacing options available. Choose the spacing that fits your design best, whether you want a professional tight look or something more relaxed and readable. Once you've made your selection, the changes will be applied immediately, allowing you to see how it affects your text layout. There you have it. By following these steps, your email text in Constant Contact should now have the perfect amount of space between lines, enhancing readability and appeal. Thanks for joining me, and happy emailing.